Welcome back to Planted Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing pretty well. I hope everyone is feeling blessed. I hope everyone is, observing what's going on. I just hope you guys okay, man, and don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep at all. A lot of people ask the question, when should you start manuring your plant? I'm not saying fertilizer, I'm saying manure, like basically feed your plant. Whatever you feed your plant with, when should you really add the first dose and the last dose? All right. I want to talk about that for a minute because it's very important. Because of the way I set up my soil, I do not have to add a second dose to my garden. Whatever I did gonna last me right through the year. So I really do not have to give that second dose. But we all plant different, we all take care of our plant different. But I'm going to share some knowledge from the experience I had as a gardener, as someone who grow food the natural way, okay? All right, so now, the first time, when I think you should add your first dose of manure, I think you should do, a matter of fact, before you plant, you should already have that manure, that whatever you feed in your plant with mixed with the soil already. At least a week or 2 weeks before. So when you give the plant that dose, so now when you plant them, that will take the plant to a place where it's okay. That will carry that plant. So you ain't got to be pushing a bunch of stuff around the plant root to get it to grow. No. Once you give it that first dose, just allow the plant to grow. The second dose is, let me show you something. If you look here, you're going to see this pepper plant start pushing blossom. All of them pushing blossom so far. They all pushing blossom. Some of them even have on small peppers. You see, they all pushing blossom. All pushing blossom. I'm not sure if you're seeing, but all these pepper right here pushing blossom. Over here, we have pepper already. You see? We have pepper on this plant already. We have pepper and many plants up in this garden. We have a lot of pepper trees. But what I want to say to you is, when you start to see the plant pushing the blossom and start pushing out small pepper, I think that's the right time to give it that second dose of manure. The reason why I'm saying is, it's like a pregnant woman. A pregnant woman, when she have the baby inside of her, she got to strengthen herself because now she have a baby inside of her. So she got to strengthen herself and give the, try to give the baby what it need inside of her, right? So she got to eat certain things with nutrition, minerals to feed the baby with. Okay, all these are pepper plants as well, loaded with peppers, right? So when you see they start to push out the blossom and small peppers, that's when you give it that second dose. That second dose of manure, whatever you feed in the plant with. And after you do that, that's it. So the plant only supposed to get manure at least twice. I recommend put it before you plant, and also when the plant is producing peppers and blossom. Okay? This is a good way to grow your plant. So your plant ain't gonna have the taste of too much fertilizer, too much of what you feed in the plant with. You know what I'm saying? So twice I recommend, twice, and then I would not add any more. So when should you manure your plant or feed your plant? See, we have pepper coming up here. When should you manure your plant? You should manure your plant either before you plant, you mix the soil with the manure, or after you plant, you throw the manure around the plant. But you should not add no more manure until you getting ready, the plants getting ready to push out new babies, which is food, vegetables, plant, blossom, because it need that extra boost to produce good, healthy plants, food for you. So the first time is either you mix it with the soil and plant the food, or after you plant it, you add it. You add it to the soil, and then you allow the plant to grow. Then you add more when it starts pushing out flowers and fruits. All right? Guys, I hope this video means a lot to you. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to get this video a thumbs up. If you can share the video, and please leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know. Give me some insight and tell me what kind of video you would like me to post. I will definitely appreciate that. Peace, blessing, love to all.